The iPhone crashing or freezing denotes a different story. You cannot use the device as usual. Then, you probably want to know the reasons for this and feasible solutions. Well, this video will guide you through these. Part 2. How to fix iPhone keeps crashing. 10 quick tips. Tip 1. Restart iPhone. Tip 2. Close faulty apps. Tip 3. Clear storage on your iDevice. Tip 4. Install updates for apps. Tip 5. Force restart iPhone. Tip 6. Check iOS for update. Tip 7. Reset all settings on iPhone. Tip 8. Get iPhone into DFU mode. Tip 9. Restore iPhone from iTunes. Tip 10. Factory reset iPhone. Part 3. Ultimate way to fix iPhone keeps crashing with no data loss. Do you want to save the time wasted trying all kinds of methods that are not necessarily effective? For those who pursue high efficiency and zero risk, do remember to check the ultimate solution with iOS system recovery.